Oh, that's a baby! It's a baby! Oh, how cool! Oh. That's what all the noise was. I thought it was just them getting ready for the last feed at night. But they've got one of the babies out flying. That's great. So now they'll be calling it back to the nest because it's roosting time. That's Mum and Dad. I think that's the baby because it landed on the top there. Yeah, it's in now. Yeah, so all the calling stopped. The baby's back in the nest with one of the parrots. Oh, cool. There's Dad. He normally sort of stands guard, and there he is giving his whistle. Wonderful. No, that's not him whistling.